Labor feeds the body, but art nourishes the soul. Why choose one when you can combine both? To survive the harshest winters, the summer sun shines brightly over the lush green meadow, casting a golden glow upon the vibrant and bustling natural world. Perched high upon a swaying branch, the cicada sings a passionate melody, celebrating the warmth and the sheer joy of living. Below him, the diligent ant marches steadily, carrying a heavy grain of rice, focused entirely on the upcoming demands of winter. The ant wipes sweat from his brow, ignoring the beautiful music, driven by an instinct to gather, store, and prepare tirelessly. The cicada looks down and laughs softly, wondering why anyone would waste such a glorious sunny day on such hard labor. He believes that life is meant to be enjoyed in the present moment, creating beauty through song rather than worrying ahead. However, the ant knows that the sun will not last forever, and that preparation is the only shield against future hardship. The meadow is filled with the sounds of nature, a symphony of life where the cicada feels he is the conductor. Yet, the rhythm of the ant's marching feet provides a grounding beat, a reminder of the discipline required to sustain life. As time passes, the vibrant green leaves begin to turn gold and orange, signaling that the carefree summer is finally ending. The wind begins to blow with a chilling bite. The cicada shivers, feeling a sudden worry as food sources slowly disappear. The ant rolls the final piece of food into his storehouse, looking with satisfaction at the stockpile ready for the coming months. The last leaves fall to the ground, and the music in the trees stops. It's replaced by a heavy and frightening silence. The first snowflake drifts down from the gray sky, landing cold and sharp, marking the undeniable beginning of a harsh winter. A snowstorm quickly engulfs the forest, burying the world in white. The wind howls relentlessly through the bare and frozen trees. The landscape freezes over completely. The cicada huddles under a dry leaf, starving and exhausted, with no strength left to sing. From a distance, a warm golden light spills from the ant's home, shining like a beacon of hope and life amidst the cold. Inside, the ant family gathers around a fireplace, enjoying a warm meal, a stark and painful contrast to the freezing outdoors. With trembling wings and fading hope, the musician realizes he must swallow his pride to survive the freezing, unforgiving winter night. A faint and weak knock echoes on the door. The father ant stops eating, surprised, and walks over to open it. The door swings open, letting in the biting cold. The cicada stands there, a gaunt and desperate, his eyes pleading for help. The contrast is sharp and painful. The ant is warm and healthy, while the cicada is freezing and near death's door. The cicada whispers softly, admitting he sang all summer and forgot the winter, begging for just a small scrap of food. The ant frowns, ready to scold him for laziness, but pauses as he notices his own children watching with curious eyes. The young ants have plenty of food, yet they look bored and listless, trapped inside the dark hill without any joy. A sudden idea strikes the ant. He realizes he has plenty of food, but his home lacks music and artistic education. The ant proposes a deal. He will not give charity, but if the cicada teaches music, he earns his place inside. The cicada's eyes light up with restored dignity. He is not being treated as a beggar, but as a respected teacher. The cicada steps inside, and the door closes against the storm. He is welcomed to a warm spot near the fire. After finishing a hot bowl of soup, the cicada regains his strength and begins crafting simple instruments from small household items. The young ants gather around with eagerness. The cicada begins teaching them the first notes, guiding them with patience and passion. Music fills the underground home. The gloomy atmosphere vanishes instantly, replaced by the sounds of laughter and beautiful, uplifting melodies. The father ant watches his happy children and smiles, realizing that this exchange was the best investment he could have made. The long winter passes quickly in joy. The music lessons help the entire family forget the bitter cold raging just outside. The ant comes to a profound realization. While food sustains the body, art and joy are what truly nourish the soul. The cicada also learns the value of preparation, and he helps repair furniture and organize tools whenever he is not teaching music. Mutual respect grows between them. They are no longer defined by their differences, but are partners supporting each other's survival. The snow finally melts away, and green shoots push through the soil. Spring returns, bringing new life to the forest. The door opens to the fresh air. The ant family and the cicada emerge, healthier and happier than they ever were. The cicada sings again, but this time, the young ants tap along in perfect rhythm, creating a beautiful, collaborative harmony. We learn to never judge differences. Instead, we must find ways to combine our unique strengths to thrive together sustainably. Mutually beneficial cooperation is the key to happiness. We see clearly that art and labor are equally priceless and necessary. Please share this story with your friends if you believe in the incredible power of unity, kindness, and sharing skills. Thank you for watching Heartfelt Life Diaries. Subscribe now to share more stories about love, wisdom, and the beauty of life.